In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download big folders and files from Google Drive easily without zip files. If you've ever tried downloading a large folder from Google Drive, you've probably noticed that Drive automatically compresses it into a zip file. That can be frustrating, especially if the folder is huge, your internet connection isn't the best, or you're on a device that struggles to unzip large archives. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to get around that limitation so you can download your files more directly and with fewer headaches. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Then sign into the account that has the files you want. Take a moment to organize what you need. If you have one very large folder, consider whether it can be broken up into a few smaller folders. This will make the whole process smoother and can help avoid issues if your connection drops. Instead of selecting an entire massive folder and clicking download, which forces Drive to create a zip, open that folder so you can see the files and subfolders inside it. From here, you have more control. You can select individual files or a smaller batch of files at a time. Hold down Shift to select a range, or Control or Command to pick specific items. Then, right-click and choose Download. Google Drive will still package multiple items together, but by keeping each batch smaller, you reduce the chances of creating a single enormous zip that's difficult to handle. Another useful approach is to download larger files one by one. When you right-click a single file and choose Download, Drive sends it directly without trying to bundle it with anything else. This is especially helpful for big video files, design assets, or backups. Yes, it might take a little more clicking, but you'll often save time in the long run because you avoid failed downloads and long unzip times. As you download, choose a destination folder on your computer where everything will go. Keeping things organized on your end, too, makes it much easier to recreate the original folder structure from Drive. You can create matching folders on your computer and drag the downloaded files into place so nothing gets lost. If your internet connection is unstable, try downloading during a quieter time of day, and avoid streaming or other heavy usage while the downloads are running. This can significantly reduce interruptions. By breaking your downloads into manageable pieces and focusing on individual large files, you can work around Google Drive's automatic zipping and get your content onto your computer more reliably and with less frustration.